Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win Instagram giveaways. First, always read the rules carefully. This is your blueprint to success. Make sure you understand every requirement, from following accounts to using specific hashtags. Genuine engagement, like thoughtful comments, can also make your entry stand out. Remember, following all instructions precisely is your first step towards a potential win. To significantly boost your odds, target giveaways with fewer entries. Smaller accounts often have less competition, increasing your probability of winning. Also, pay attention to opportunities for bonus entries, such as sharing the post to your Instagram stories. These extra steps can give you a significant advantage over other participants, making your entry more visible and valuable to the host. Employ smart tactics to enhance your chances. If the rules allow, enter multiple times, perhaps on different days. When tagging friends, choose individuals who would genuinely appreciate the prize rather than random accounts. Most importantly, craft comments that are thoughtful and unique. A memorable comment can catch the host's eye, potentially giving your entry an edge over hundreds or even thousands of others. Finally, avoid common pitfalls to ensure a safe and fair experience. Never provide personal financial information to suspicious accounts claiming you've won. Steer clear of spamming comments or tagging unrelated accounts, as this can lead to disqualification. Always take a moment to verify the legitimacy of the giveaway host and the prize. Staying vigilant protects you and keeps the fun in participating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.